How to apply for Etihad Airways Cabin Crew? Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can apply for Etihad Airways as a cabin crew. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. All you need to do by now is go into your browser and type in the URL bar careers.etihad.com, and this is gonna, okay, I'm gonna set by now my cookies, redirect you to this page where you can find different options of careers for Etihad. Here is the cabin crew, but as you can see, there are some other professions like pilots, corporate, digital and technology, and so many more. So by now, I'm gonna click on the cabin crew, and there you can check the conditions to get a job in Etihad. So in the same page, this is gonna redirect you to an option to drop your resume. You can select a file. By now, I'm going to skip this because I want to show you how this is gonna work by now. So as you can see, this cabin crew is gonna be worldwide. This is the job description in order for you to know more about the experience, the education and experience that you need in order to be part of Etihad, and the skills that are gonna be fundamental in your work. Also about Etihad Airways and some other similar jobs in case you wanna apply to. As cargo, first officer, or technical store supervisor, there are some slides. This is the first of 3, so you can check some other jobs. As you can see, there are some other videos that they're gonna let you know what is this about and the perks and benefits you're gonna obtain once you are an Etihad. If you want to get this position, you just have to go here, select a file, or build your resume directly into this page. You just have to continue using your Google account, and once you have done that, you can create your profile with existing information or the manual entry. I recommend you to upload your own resume, but in case you don't have it, just choose the manual entry, click on continue, and this is what you're gonna need, okay? Just follow the steps, send your resume, and that's how you're gonna apply for Etihad Airways as a cabin crew. Thanks for watching.